Oh, YouTube, this is my dog Spanky, and here is a custom trick I taught him. The trick is called Mush. As you can see, I'm on rollerblades. Spanky! Okay. Mush! Mush, Spanky! Mush! As you can see, he is pulling me on the blades. Woo! Mush! You say mush to get him to go faster. To get him to stop, you just say decline or something like that. Woo-hoo. There he goes. Making mush. You can even go on one leg with him. Oh, come on. Oh. Mush! Yeah, good boy. And as you can see, we are going very fast. And I don't have to do that much work also. So him pulling me is really good. So yeah, see ya.